In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the steering wheel from a Toyota Quantum safely and step by step. Whether you're replacing it or working on the column, this guide will help you do it right. First, disconnect the battery and wait at least 10 minutes. This is important to prevent the airbag from deploying while you work. Next, locate the small holes or panels on the sides of the steering wheel. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pop them open, then use a Torx or Allen wrench to remove the screws holding the airbag in place. Carefully pull the airbag unit forward and disconnect the electrical connectors behind it. Place it somewhere safe, face up. Now, use a socket wrench to remove the large center nut that holds the steering wheel to the column. Mark the shaft and wheel alignment so you can install it straight later. Gently rock the wheel back and forth to loosen it, then pull it off. If this video helped you remove your Toyota Quantum steering wheel, please like and subscribe for more practical car repair tips. Thanks for watching.